Hi everybody, my name is Peter Tarraga. I'm the manager of aircraft restoration here at the Intrepid, and today we're going to be talking about the nose cone on our F4D Skyray. When we first recovered the Skyray, it was in pretty good shape for something that had been sitting outdoors for 3+ decades. A lot of the damage that we were uncovering was superficial damage from the elements and lots of UV exposure. But another area which needed repair was a puncture wound. What I ended up doing was removing the outer shell of the two shells and filling that area where the puncture existed with a polyester filler, and then a light coating of fiberglass cloth over that and some sanding to blend it in. And then once we applied the UV protective coatings of the primer and then the final heavy polyester coating, even I couldn't see where it had been done. After applying the top coat, I wasn't getting the finish I was after. Then I used these wonderful stipple rollers that are supplied with this coating. It gave me exactly the look I was trying to achieve. Then came the final process of reinstalling it on the airplane. A couple of people involved. A trusted volunteer, Buck, was helping me get this thing aligned properly, and it has a very unique fastening system. There were, at 4 points, there were screws that mount into that front bulkhead on the airplane. Once we got over the awkward part of getting things properly aligned, went on no problem. For more behind-the-scenes videos, please visit intrepidmuseum.org.